Welcome friends to my channel AB Infotech. Today I will discuss with you Windows 11 Share Printer Connection Error 0x00000709. The problem is occur basically in Windows 11 operating system. When we try to connect a share printer in share network from a Windows 11 system, then we will face the problem. Today I will show you how easily you can resolve the problem. So let's start. Now open Run box by pressing Windows and R key together on your keyboard and write regedit, regedit. After writing regedit, click OK. It will be open registry editor. Now select Heki local machine and expand it. Then select software and expand it. Then select policies and expand it. Then select Microsoft and again expand it. Then select Windows NT. Here you right click the Windows NT and select New and click the key option. Now rename the new key, name printers, printers. Again select the printers and right click and select New and click the key option. Rename the new key as RPC in caps. Now right side of the registry editor, right click the mouse and select New and then select DW32-bit value. Now let the new value be named RPC use named pipe protocol and then double click the RPC use name pipe protocol and change the value data 0 to 1. After that close the registry editor and restart your system. After restarting the system, your problem will be solved.